Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how to add or remove from cart in Klarna. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up Klarna. Once you're in Klarna, log into your account. So make sure you're logged into your account. So once I've logged in here in your account, so what we can do, we can simply choose something. Probably I will just choose a store or an item. Probably, okay, this is fine here. I'll just get to iconic. Alright, so what I'm going to do now in order to add or remove an item to cart or from cart. So what I have to do, I'm just going to do this. So I'm going to get to the I'm going to open this site through Klarna. So once I've accessed the site, I'm going to open up the website of the store site. Alright, so once you get this, so simply click on the item that you wish to look at it or make an order. So once you find your item, so this, you've chosen your item, for example, you simply open it up, and then I'm going to select my color, sizes, okay, and then what I'm going to do, add to bag. So that's my checkout, so it's going to add it to my cart because my bag is my cart. So that's it, continue. And then what I'm going to do, if you want to look at my cart, on your top right here you have that shopping icon, so that's my cart. So just get to it. So I just added it. So that's simply how you add it. So if you want to remove it, you can simply go to the bag here. Okay, so when you get to your cart here, so what you're going to do, if you want to remove, simply hit on the remove option here. Okay, and then once you click on remove, that's it, your item would have been removed from your cart. So that's actually pretty much it. So that's how you add or remove item to your from your cart in Klarna. So hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.